This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an LLC in Texas. Forming a limited liability company in the Lone Star State involves several key stages, starting with crucial foundational decisions. We will guide you through each necessary step, ensuring you understand the process from start to finish. This guide helps you navigate the requirements for establishing your business entity correctly. First, select a unique name for your LLC and confirm its availability with the Texas Secretary of State. This step ensures your business identity stands out and meets state requirements. Next, you must designate a registered agent who will be responsible for receiving official notices and legal papers on your company's behalf. This agent needs a physical street address within Texas, not just a post office box. Once your name is secured and your registered agent is chosen, you will file the Certificate of Formation with the Texas Secretary of State. This crucial document officially establishes your LLC's existence. It includes essential details like the LLC's name, its purpose, and the registered agent's information. The filing fee currently stands at $300, payable upon submission. An operating agreement is a critical internal document detailing how your LLC will be managed and operated. It defines member roles, voting rights, and how profits and losses are distributed, safeguarding your business relationships. Additionally, you will need to acquire an employer identification number, often called an EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service. This 9-digit number is essential for federal tax purposes and opening a business bank account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.